They had a really good shopping store, so I'll show you some of the stuff I got. So I got this little teddy bear in a onesie. This like softer than a Squishmallow. It's a Among Us imposter. And I got a Pop-It. And it pops really good. You can't really hear, but the other side, I'll do the other side. Okay, it doesn't pop that good on these sides really. And then I got this giant stress ball right here that my sister has right now. I got a Squishmallow. Okay, I have stuff over there. I got mochis. I got a frog, a dinosaur, and I have a dog.
Hello, welcome to American Dexter. How may I help you?
And then I got a bunny. And a duck. I got more. Can you find the bag? Hold on, guys. I think my stuff fell off the bag. It might be a little black. So just hold on. Let me put the stuff back in. Now, if you want to see me and my cousin do a 1v1, then yeah, I'll be doing that soon. Yeah, it's some stuff fell out. Alright. So let me open it. I put it in a little case. So I got this little stress ball. It's supposed to be those tiny bun things, but it's actually a stress ball. It's meant to look like it. Hi. Did I drop anything else? Oh yeah, I got this pumpkin bag and this champion bag. And I think I got, no, this isn't new. That's something old. Oh yeah, I got a Pop-It and another Pop-It. Where is the Pop-It? Oh, here's the Pop-It. It's a jumbo Pop-It. Okay. Yeah, I got the jumbo Pop-It. And this is an unboxing. Jumbo Pop-It. What? No, not yet. Okay. Alright, hold on, guys. Wait, look. I guess I'm in a car. Okay. Here, it has a little clip keychain so I can clip it anywhere. And then I want to do some fidget trading, but I don't know if I would trade my stress balls. I actually like stress balls, so yeah. It's so jumbo. Oh my god.
I'm sorry guys, I don't have any.
Bro, holy crap. This thing is actually like, let's see the other side. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. I'm gonna do some fidget trading with my cousin. My cousin, he thinks he's good and he can macro like I do. And he's little doo-doo water at the game, like little doo-doo water. Alright, anyway. So yeah, that's the stuff I got, and hope you guys enjoyed the video. And see you next time. Bye.